Hi Ray, just to update you, the Instagram accounts, two Instagram accounts have come online, so we can see those there. And to refresh the latest issue that was with Instagram feed, if I go to the Noosa page, I mentioned to you that all the hashtags on this page, or this entire page, is new, and I saw them all fill in completely, but so all the images were cached, but then an hour or two later, coming back, and I did I put this hashtag in and then I refreshed the page not to overload the server, and I saw the images coming in each time. But then coming back a couple of hours later, all of these hashtags only have 3 or 4 images in all of them. Now, the accounts were exhausted and I've been waiting for them to come back online, and we've got 2 accounts at the moment that are available. And I've added this scenic gem to this new page. It was the last one to do. So this hashtag has been cached recently, and it's showing a full cache. So and it hasn't dropped back to 3 or 4 images like all of the other ones. So I'm just going to pause the video and monitor it and get back to you and see if this stays as it is. Okay, so I didn't wait at all actually. I just cleared the browser cache, and now there are only 3 images for Laguna Lookout. So perfect example, you could see that all the images were here and cached, but just clearing the browser cache, the images have dropped off. I think I've got Cloudflare in development mode at the moment. So yeah, the issue is definitely still exists. If I go to Instagram images, I'll just pause the video for a sec. Okay, so I've gone into Instagram images, Laguna Lookout, and yeah, 3 images cached. So the images have disappeared. Yeah, I think I've accurately gone through the steps now. We actually saw that there was a whole lot of images on the initial page load, but clearing the cache, for some reason now there is only 3 images. So won't spend any more time on it, and I'll throw it over to you to investigate. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.